Hello my friends, it's day 25 of me talking in English. Today we are going to discuss about a movie called A Thousand Words. Imagine from now on you have only 1,000 words left to talk. What would you do? Well, this movie is about that. So let's dive into it. So guys, I'm just saying the concept of this concept of this movie. Well, there is a tree and there is a human. He's a hero, and he works on a marketing something kind of job. His main thing is talking, communication. That's his main thing in this job. So there is a problem from that he can talk only 1,000 words. Yeah, every word after that every word he talks in this tree, there is a leaf will fall. Like the tree has only 1,000 leaves and he can talk only 1,000 words. That's the concept. So at that time he talks rubbish and everything because of this curse like thing. So eventually he gets only 50 words, around 50 words, like that much. Yeah, he gets only 50 words to live. So at that time he gets advice from his friends and something like that. So he talks only good things with a minimum just words like you, yes, me, yes, like he talks only like that because he left only 50 words, not exactly 50, just like 50 something words only left again. So after that he talks only about he spends time with his family, and yeah, of course talks less and just showing his love for the family. By doing that, he finally completes the words and he falls on the ground. But at the end, the tree will grow again. The leaves will grow again. Well, the concept of this movie is, imagine if you have only 1,000 words left to live, you talk wisely, right? Why should we talk wisely when only when we get 1,000 words left? We can talk wisely every time, right? This is the concept of this movie. So I like that concept of this movie. So I want to share this with you guys. So I said I made a video about that. So see you guys tomorrow.